My name is Akhdan Hafiz Zaidan. I am an alumnus of Pesantren Bina Insan Mulia and SMA Unggulan Bina Insan Mulia. I am also a selected student on the categorization program of Pesantren Bina Insan Mulia. I am so proud because in this program, I am able to learn leadership skill, teamwork skill, and management skill, also other essential soft skills. Moreover, I am going to be taught directly by Ayahanda and all teachers of Pesantren Bina Insan Mulia. I am super grateful to join this categorization program because there's a full opportunity to continue my study abroad, to follow my master's and doctoral degree, just like the teachers before me. Moreover, I am also proud because 70% of my friends are going to abroad universities, also top universities, such as Canada, German, Morocco, Jordan, Tunisia, Malaysia, Taiwan, and other top favorable Indonesian universities. I am super thankful for Ayahanda to open this great opportunity to fulfill and achieve my dreams.
My name is Ziatradian Rafan Apisena. I am a graduate from SMA Unggulan Bina Insan Mulia II Bertaraf International, and I'm here to say that before going into Bina Insan Mulia II, I was among the many who agreed upon the notion that pesantrens can be very primitive and very sketchy at times. But after spending almost 3 years here, I've come to say that Bina Insan Mulia is not one of those places whatsoever. Because our Kiai, Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA, has pushed forward his mindset of without-the-box thinking and has innovated the concept of pesantren overall by modernizing how we live our day-to-day lives as well as how we do some of the more niche things in our lives, such as wearing freestyle uniforms on weekly occasions or watching movies from all walks of life. I can only hope that my fellow classmates and my younger classmates who will graduate next year can also follow the same mindset as our Kiai. To conclude this, I would like to say that I will now be continuing my studies in the University of Ontario in Canada while majoring in film and animation. So, thank you, Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA, my teachers, as well as Pesantren Bina Insan Mulia II for everything that you've done.
Hello everyone, my name is Keisa Amalia Rizkina and I'm a graduate of SMA Unggulan Bina Insan Mulia. After graduating, I want to continue my study in Tsukuba University, Japan and expand my knowledge in international relationships. Based on my experience, studying at Bina Insan Mulia has given me encouragement to my dream of studying abroad. Here, I was prepared in language as the model for me to go overseas. In addition, smart class facilities and outstanding programs have allowed me to learn many different languages, such as English, Arabic, and Japanese comfortably and with fun. Not only Cambridge curricula applied at school, but there are also some native speakers that help my language learning program by doing daily conversation in English and Arabic. After 3 years of studying at Bina Insan Mulia, I became confident with my language skills and was ready to go abroad to study international relationships in Tsukuba University, Japan. I would like to say thank you very much to Ayahanda, all of my teachers, and Bina Insan Mulia for giving me a very great opportunity to study in a multilingual environment.
I am Sakada Pagunawan. I'm one of the graduates of a leading international high school of Bina Insan Mulia. When I was junior high school, I thought that studying abroad it was impossible for me as an Indonesian society who doesn't have good enough in English language skills and lack of information access to go to abroad. But then after I learned, stayed, and saw 70% of my friends that they wanted to achieve their education level to go to abroad. Like they want to go to Morocco, Egypt, German, Japan, Malaysia, and Taiwan. It made me interesting to do a similar as 70% of my friends. Now I got IELTS skills that is one requirement to get opportunity to be accepted in universities abroad. And I wanted to Kaplan Business School, Australia on information technology major to contribute to my country becoming better in the field of computer technology. It is grateful to Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA and my teachers and also my friends in Pesantren VIP Bina Insan Mulia too. Thank you for that.
大家好，介绍我的名叫 Sylvia，我叫 Sylvie，我从小二班，台湾是一个技术发展非常快效国。台湾的技术并不随着我中国，台湾是世界上第一个那么上涨国，开始全球主要的半导体制造商。因为未来的数据是代表或者重要的作用。我学生，我想通过专职通过技术改造，为国家的进步做出贡献。谢谢你，Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA dan Pesantren Bina Insan Mulia. 再见。
Bin Rahani Pancar Prasetyo, Abitur von dem Bina Insan Mulia High School mit International Standard. Deutschland ist eines der 4 großen Automobilproduktionsländer der Welt. Zum Beispiel Mercedes-Benz, BMW und Porsche. Differente deutsche Autos sind und eine Geschwindigkeit haben, die es nicht geben kann, bezweifelt. Deutschland hat auch sehr hochwertige technische Universitäten. Mit den Verlosungen meines Schulters träume ich davon, in Expert von Rennwagenmotoren zu werden. Ausgestattet mit der Grundausbildung, die ich in einer internationalen Speedhochschule erhalten habe, werde ich mein Ingenieurstudium einer Spitzenuniversität fortsetzen. In Deutschland werde ich versuchen, meinen Traum zu verwirklichen, Indonesia im Automobilsektor zu verbessern, indem ich effizientere und Qualität hochwertige Rennwagenmotoren herstelle. Danke Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA und Lehrer Pesantren Bina Insan Mulia.
Türkiye Avrupa Saglik Sistemine Bali Bersaglik Sistemine Sahid Beralkadir. Türkiye yese hatim sadece akademik bir eğitim almakla ilgili değildi, aynı zamanda ufkumu ve yaşam deneyimlerimi genişlemek ve Türkiye'deki sağlık yönetim sistemini incelemekle ilgiliydi. Bir öğrenci olarak mezun olmaktan sonra Indonesia'nın sağlık sektöründeki ilerlemesine önemli bir katkıda bulunmak istiyorum. Teşekkür ederim Bina İnsan Mulia ve Pak Kiai.
Hello everyone, I'm Keisha Fatia Hanifa and I'm graduate of SMA Unggulan Bertaraf International Bina Insan Mulia 2. I frequently hear before enrolling in Islamic boarding school that alumni and students were not permitted to be in political activity, and some expressly prohibited it. However, things changed completely when I enrolled in Islamic boarding school. In fact, Ayahanda constantly urged us to get active in political scenes, ultimately because politics is the power to change the future. That is why I continue my college in law and Al-Azhar University, Egypt. R.A. Kartini wa malahayati huma min syakhsiyat anisa'i allati talhamuni fi ihdasi taghayyur fi 'isihima. Wa fi waqi kana fursat at-taghayyur wafira lin-nisa. Walakin al-asaf لا تدخل كثيرا من النساء على مع السياسة غير أن فوائد وتأثيرات السياسة للمجتمع عديدة وأنا لأزم أن أكون جزءا مهما من تغيير كبير في إندونيسيا عام 2029. Syukran jazilan Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA, syukran jazilan lil mu'alimi, syukran jazilan Bina Insan Mulia.
My name is Nathan Mangala Ramdhani and I'm a former student of Bina Insan Mulia International Grade Senior High School. To be honest, I have no interest in anything at initially in this boarding school. However, after being part of school visionaries, I have taught a lot of knowledge and wisdom by our Kiai to compete in this modern era. I saw a lot of potential in technology sector, especially in development of artificial intelligence that hadn't applied properly in Indonesia. As a santri, I want to contribute to my country being the part of Golden Indonesia 2045, and because of that, I have decided to step on this crucial area because I believe IT can significantly improve all other sector. For example, talk student without a teacher in education and helping disabilities people in hospitality. To support my goal, I believe by continuing my study in software engineering major in Nanyang Technological University in Singapore could improve my skill to contribute to the nation. Last but not least, I beg a lot of thanks to my leader of pesantren, Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA, and the principal of SMA Unggulan Bina Insan Mulia, Ustazah Siti Zahro MPD, and all of my friends whom I love that brought me until this day. Last, I say thank you.
Benaydin Merhaba Benin Edim Inaya Nabila. I was studied in Turkey. Turkey is the one of the countries in the top 10 majors in the international relation in the world of education. Besides, Turkey is also a country with the fourth largest diplomatic network in the world. In Turkey, mostly is Islam. So, for me, as a student who's studying in Turkey, it makes me easier to surrounding and environment. Apart from that, as a Santri Bima, I have to be intense in studying because I want to become an inspirational woman in the world. And don't forget be a student who brings Islam and kindness to the whole world, but don't forget the place where you were born. Benda shows happiness. Tasyakur ederim pakai Bebima.
Assalamualaikum, Ana Khaznafania Khidri Irfani, Ana Khiriju men SMA Unggulan Bertaraf Internasional Bina Insan Mulia 2. Laqadukum tuhuna bitanfizi jiwan dibita jihizi lid dirosah fi syarqil ausat. Mislit dirosah mubasyarah ma'asya ali a'lam min jamiatil azhar wadarostu aidon al-kutub al-muqarrarah min jamiati az-zaitunah fi Tunis. Walhamdulillah iltahaqtu fi jamiatil az-zaitunah fi Tunis. Aqulu syukran lakum ya mudirul ma'had ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA wal asatid wal asatidah wal ashabi fil bina insan mulia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Karina Lasikadori. I'm a graduated from Bina Insan Mulia International Senior High School. I will continue my study to Poltekkes Yogyakarta with the majoring in nutrition. It is the fact that Indonesian cannot afford daily nutritional needs. That's why I want to be part of Indonesian nutrition specialist. As a Santri, I have big passion of joining this field. Good communication between Ayahanda and students' parents is very important. It has been proven that while I was here, Ayahanda always took for walks and ate together, which bring about positive relationship with students' parents. I have a new dream. If become a leader in an institution, I will emulate Ayahanda's character, which bring about positive relationship with people around me. Thank you Ayahanda, thank you all the teachers, and thank you Bina Insan Mulia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Natania Syakir Albari as the graduated from International High School Bina Insan Mulia. Baligu anni walau ayah, sampaikan dariku walau satu ayat. Quote from some hadith delivered by Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA. This hadith delivered that dakwah can be occurred in anywhere and any situation. For examples, like he did in his new ways for dakwah in digital era and social media. But apart from that, Ayahanda also say dakwah in professional field that also important. One of professional field that I will took up is physiotherapy. Why mass physiotherapy? Because in Indonesia, there is still a lack of medical personnel of therapists. That's why I'm sure that will be useful for the society and the countries. Good willing with physiotherapy faculty that I have chosen can become my next field for dakwah, such as Ayahanda has shown. Thank you for Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jajuli, all of my teachers, and Bina Insan Mulia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syafina Azalia Hasbi and I'm a graduate from SMA Unggulan Bina Insan Mulia. So in this digital era, there's one point that is crucial in the generation's development, and that is called the media. Here, Bina Insan Mulia provides us with help and education of the importance of being active and aware of the social media's impact, especially in branding. Organizational experiences and skills such as teamwork, leaderships, and time management that I've got will also be helpful for me in my next study in Asia Pacific University, Malaysia. With us, Santri, contributing in the media's development, dakwah will be more easier for people to receive, especially due to its infinite access in the digital world. Big thanks to Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli Al-Sima and family who had motivated us in our studies to pursue our dreams. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ismahuli Sau'arifu an-Nafsi, Ismi Kamil Leonard Ardian Saputra, Ana Khiriju SMA Unggulan Bertaraf Internasional Bina Insan Mulia. Hal ladaika su'abatun fi hifzil Qur'anil Karim, fi hadzal sodad ladayya khibratun mukhtalifah fi hifzil Qur'an, fi sitati asyhurin faqat huna, ana qadirun ala hifzi salasina juz'an minal Qur'anil Karim. Hadza syai'un lam azunnuhu min qabl, ana muta'akkidun min kulli fa'aliyatin fi barnamij hifzil Qur'an ala annahu mufidun li hayati walidirasati fi kulliyatil aqidah wal falsafah fi jami'atil Azharus Syarif bil Qahirah. Syukran Ayahanda Mudirul Ma'had, syukran lakumul muallimin, syukran Bina Insan Mulia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Raihan Kesman Ramadan. I graduate from an international standard high school Bina Insan Mulia. Here I am very lucky because I learned soft skill practically and conceptually, and also academic excellence. What is even more interesting is the political insight conveyed by Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli SMA through various learning forums such as daily pengajian. This learning is very useful for me to continue my study in the medical science in Jakarta. I believe the soft skills are very important for me to interact with the patient later when I become a doctor. I am very grateful to Pak Kiai and my teachers for guiding me to become a better and more useful person in the future. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Zafina Zahia Syami. I am a graduate from Bina Insan Mulia 2 Senior High School. As long as I live in Bina Insan Mulia, I joined with an organization called OSIP, Organisasi Santri Intra Pesantren. I got a lot of experience and knowledge, and also I found my opportunity to develop my skill of leadership and skill of managerial. At first, I'm a shy person and I'm afraid to stand up in front of people, and I also confused to manage an event. However, after I became an OSIP member, I braver to stand up in front of people, such as having speech and socialization time. And I also get experience to help an event. Like I ever become a Maulid Nabi event, I ever become a coordinator of BAS when I'm 11th grade, and other events that I hold with my OSIP friends. I'm sure this experience will be precious for me for my next study. Now I'm preparing myself to be admitted in Institut Teknologi Bandung, specifically in Fakultas Teknologi Industri Sistem and Proses. So from this, even though I'm a Santriwati, this doesn't hold me back from the passion to prove myself that I can contribute to Indonesia industry development. Thank you to Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli, thank you for my teachers, thank you to Bina Insan Mulia. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ich bin Muhammad Davananda, Absolvent von Pesantren VIP Bina Insan Mulia. Einer führenden internationalen Highschool meine soziale Bildung und Erfahrung an einer Highschool international Standard können. Wertvolles Kapital für meine Fortsetzung meiner Ausbildung in Deutschland sein. Deutschland ist die größte Volkswirtschaft Europas mit großen Unternehmen wie BASF, dem weltgrößten Chemieunternehmen. Daher werde ich meine Ausbildung an der Technischen Universität München, der besten Technischen Universität Deutschland, fortsetzen, basieren auf dem Wissen, das ich bei Bina Insan Mulia erworben habe. Danach ich habe vor, als Semi-Spezialist nach Indonesien zurückzukehren. Dankeschön, Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA und Lehrer Pesantren VIP Bina Insan Mulia.
I'm Gania Zatur Rahma. I'm a graduate from Bina Insan Mulia Senior High School. While I'm studying here, I felt happy. I was able to receive a lot of new education. I can also find a new friend who made my time more enjoyable and also develop my intellectual, spiritual, and emotional intelligence. I can find my weakness and strength, which can become the model for me to bring about a better social environment, my future education level at Diponegoro University. Thank you to Ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA and my peers who made me able to find my true self.
Hallo, guten Morgen Leute. Mein Name ist Petrina Mariam Putri Dayanti. Ich bin 18 Jahre alt, ich komme aus Indonesien und bin ich Abiturientin von Bina Insan Mulia II, einer führenden internationalen Highschool. Tirakat Dalail Khairat hat mir geholfen, stark im Glauben zu sein. Diese Stärke ist wichtig, Herausforderungen und Probleme bei der Vorbereitung aus die Schule in Deutschland zu meistern. Es macht mich ruhiger und selbstbewusster. Ich bin sicher, dass dies mein Hauptkapital sein wird, in Deutschland weiter zu studieren. Dankeschön Pak Kiai Imam Jazuli, meine Lehrerin und Bisbal Bina Insan Mulia.
Hello, my name is Raditya Mahardika Wiratama. I am alumnus of Bina Insan Mulia International Senior High School. I feel lucky because I can do Dalail fasting and zikir for 2 years. I also believe that with Dalail fasting and zikir, it's been an extraordinary spiritual experience for me, and I committed to continue my fasting and zikir of Dalail until 3 years. I also believe that with my fasting and zikir of Dalail, it can be a model to achieve my dream to study at medical program in UKM this year. I want to say thanks for Pak Kiai, for all of the teacher and Bina Insan Mulia for the guidance.
Hi everyone, my name is Ratu Bella Menia. I'm graduate from a top international high school, Bina Insan Mulia II. As long as I left my days in Bina Insan Mulia, many things have changed the habit I had before, like when is it time for me to sleep, for me study, for me to play with my friends. I got praying on the time, and importantly, here I learned how to manage my ego, where I can appreciate other people more, to develop my interpersonal skill so I can build a better friendship and relationship. And I believe this is capital for me when I'm study business management. I would like to say thank you to Pak Kiai for being a good mentor while we were here. And thank you Bina Insan Mulia for giving me place to grow.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ismi Nabila Syafila, ana khiriju min SMA Unggulan Bertaraf Internasional Bina Insan Mulia. Hunaka hajatun fi kulli munazamati ila ta'awuni li tahqiqil ahdanul mushtarakah. Hadza ma hasaltu alaihi min qasib yakni munazafatu talabah bihazal ma'had. Wa ma ahadza ta'alamtu aidan kaifiyata halin naziati wal ikhtilafati bisyakli jayyid wa ana muta'akidun min anna hadza zadun lidirasati fi jami'ati Ibnu Tufel fi Maghrib. Syukran ila mudirul mahad al-mu'alim wa asdiqai. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ismi Bintang Al-Razaki Dermawan. Ana khiriju SMA Unggulan Bertaraf Internasional Bina Insan Mulia 2. Wa kodo-kodo itu salah sasanawatin katolibin fi hadzal ma'had. Walam yaqtasiru ta'limuna ala kutubi diniyah fahasbu. Balkana mudiru hadzal ma'had ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA yuqaddimu daiman an-nusha wal irsyada wa tahfiza binaan ala tajarrubihi al-hayatiyah wa hadza ma yaj'aluni la akhafu min tahqiqi ahlami kabirah an uwasila dirasati fi syarqil awsati wal an alhamdulillah qad tamma qabuli fi jami'atil qarawiyin bil maghrib fa uqaddimu jazilata syukri li ayahanda Kiai Haji Imam Jazuli LCMA wa kullu mudarris fi hadzal ma'had. Syukran.
I'm Muhammad Zaki Mubarak. I graduate from SMA Unggulan Bertaraf International Islamic Boarding School, Bina Insan Mulia. Every time I attend Kiai's learning in the morning and evening. At first, I feel it was very difficult and I was so sleepy and tired. But because I realized that it was important for me, and I continued to win myself, then I took notes and listened to his message. One of best message for me is santri yang berhasil adalah santri yang bisa mengabdi kepada masyarakat. This message is living in my heart, and I believe all learning process will be useful in my next study in medicine science. Thank you Pak Kiai, thank you all teachers, and thank you Bina Insan Mulia.